Today we will crack a functional equation. You think functional equations are boring. But wait until you see how this one transforms into something beautiful. Our equation is f of x plus 2 plus f of x square is equal to x square plus x plus 14. We have to find f of x. Here hint is f of x is linear function. If it is linear we have to take f of x as mx plus b. So substitute x plus 2 in place of x, then we get as f of x plus 2 is equal to m into x plus 2 plus b. Now for f of x square, so substitute x square in place of x, then we get as f of x square is equal to m into x square plus b. Now combined both the equations, then f of x plus 2 plus f of x square is equal to m into x plus 2 plus b plus mx square plus b. Rewrite as, then we get as mx plus 2m plus b plus mx square plus b. This b and this b combines, we get as 2b, then we get as mx square plus mx plus 2m plus 2b. Let's compare this equation with our question. F of x plus 2 plus f of x square is equal to x square plus x plus 14. Now compare the coefficients of x square and x, then we get as m equals 1. 2m plus 2b is equal to 14. Take 2 us common, then we get as 2 into m plus b is equal to 14. Then m plus b is equal to 7. We got m is equal to 1, then substitute m is equal to 1 in the equation, then we get as 1 plus b is equal to 7. Then b is equal to 6. Now we have got both the values, that is m is equal to 1 and b is equal to 6, then substitute in the equation f of x is equal to mx plus b. Then we get as f of x is equal to x plus 6. So the problem that looked tough turned into a neat quadratic. That's the beauty of math. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.